idea and you think your brand and your product is working, then NCASS is definitely someone you should call and engage with.
So one of the important things that we do at NCASS is that we work with lots of other industry partners, one of which is Calor. We've worked with them many years now. We've got a cashback scheme with them, which makes sure that members save money, and we are able to work with them. So they've got amazing expertise, so we can guide our members to do the right thing when it comes to LPG.